This enchanting landscape radiates a deep sense of serenity, where crystal-clear waterfalls flow gracefully, their gentle murmurs blending into nature's soothing harmony. Tall, lush green trees embrace the lake, while colorful flowers bloom abundantly along the water's edge and cascading streams, enriching the scene with life and beauty. Wildlife thrives in natural balance, with animals living peacefully, freely, and comfortably within an environment that feels safe, fresh, and unspoiled. Altogether, this flourishing landscape stands as a magnificent masterpiece of the Creator, offering tranquility, inspiration, and a profound sense of gratitude to all who witness its beauty.